What's good? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make Southern style greens. I'm using pork necks and we're gonna add some okra later on down the line. I couldn't find no ham hocks, so I had to go with the next best thing, smoked pork necks. But here we go, half an onion, 32 ounces of chicken stock. We ain't going with the water, we'll go with the stock because the stock gives it more flavor. Going with the Sazon, tropical style. Garlic powder. Onion powder. Everglades seasoning. Now I'm gonna add 2 little cups of water, just to submerge the pork necks a little bit so I can stir it up, get the seasoning blended up in it. Now we're gonna cover it. We're gonna set the timer to 6 hours and 30 minutes. I'm gonna let the pork necks cook for 4 hours before I add the greens. Go to beautiful greens here. Okay, 4 hours up. Pork necks looking good. And they smelling good. Now it's time to add the greens to it. We'll go add a little bit at a time. Collard green seasoning. The other half of the onion. Got some more collard green seasoning. Can't get enough of it. Now we're gonna add the okra. Now if you like your okra real soft and mushy, start it when you start the pork necks or whatever kind of meat you'll put in your greens. I like mine like in the middle, so that's why I cook mine when I start the greens. More collard green seasoning. We'll add a little apple cider vinegar, 3 tablespoons. And we'll cover it up and let it cook for the remaining 2 hours and 30 minutes. Voila, here we go. This is it. Southern style collard green with pork necks and okras in it. Can't go wrong with it. Looking good and smelling good. I'm telling you. Look at them greens. Look at them greens there. Look at them greens. But yeah, that's it. Real simple. In the slow cook, you ain't gotta hover over the pot. This is how I like to cook my greens anyways. In the slow cook, I ain't gotta keep watching it. I ain't gotta keep stirring it. Just put them in and let them go. Go out and run a few errands and come back. Boom, greens ready. But yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Be blessed. I'm out.